Hey, coffee lovers and holiday dreamers, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're kicking off a candy cane coffee countdown, a festive peppermint-packed coffee recipe that tastes like Christmas in a cup. This cozy drink is perfect for chilly mornings, holiday movie nights, or just getting into the Christmas spirit. So grab your favorite mug, unwrap a candy cane, and let's get brewing. Ingredients: 1 cup hot brewed coffee, ½ cup milk, dairy or oat almond milk, 2 tablespoons white chocolate chips or white chocolate syrup, 1/4 teaspoon peppermint extract, 1 candy cane, crushed, whipped cream for topping, extra crushed candy cane for garnish directions. Step 1. Brew the coffee. Brew 1 cup of your favorite strong, hot coffee and pour it into a large mug. Step 2. Heat the milk. In a small saucepan or microwave, warm your milk until hot but not boiling. Step 3. Melt the white chocolate. Stir the white chocolate chips into the hot milk and mix until fully melted and smooth. Step 4. Add the peppermint magic stir in 1/4 teaspoon of peppermint extract. Be careful, a little goes a long way. Step 5. Combine, pour the creamy peppermint white chocolate milk into your hot coffee and stir well. Step 6. Garnish like a holiday pro top with a big swirl of whipped cream and sprinkle crushed candy cane over the top. And that's your candy cane coffee countdown. Sweet, minty, cozy perfection in a cup. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more festive coffee magic all season long. Comment below and tell me, are you team peppermint flavor? Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com/3coffeelover.